Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome to another episode of the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and futuristic careers of our time: drone engineering. Imagine a world where drones deliver packages, assist in emergency rescues, and even perform complex industrial tasks. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening now, and it's creating incredible career opportunities. Have you ever wondered what it takes to build and design these amazing flying machines? Or how drone technology is transforming industries worldwide? And if you're curious about a career that combines cutting edge technology with endless innovation, this episode is for you. Stay tuned as we explore the scope, skills, and opportunities that await you in the field of drone engineering. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize the dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. Now, let's get started as we're talking about drone engineering. So, first of all, the most basic question: who is a drone engineer? Now, drone engineers develop drones based on their knowledge of different branches of engineering, such as aeronautical, electronics and electrical, mechanical, and robotics engineering. Many mechanical engineers are involved in the design and manufacturing of drones. Now, talking about its scope in India and abroad, drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, yes, popularly known as UAVs, are revolutionizing numerous industries. From agriculture and real estate to filmmaking and defense, drones are becoming indispensable. In India, the government's liberalized drone policy and initiatives like Digital Sky are paving the way for a booming drone industry. Globally, countries like the United States, China, and Australia are leading the way with advanced drone technologies and applications. For example, they may be used to survey damage after natural disasters like hurricanes and floods, gather military intelligence, survey land for real estate and construction purposes, and collect information on crops and endangered species. In India, drones are being used for agricultural monitoring, disaster management, and infrastructure inspection. Abroad, they are pivotal in logistics, surveillance, and environmental conservation. The demand for skilled drone engineers is soaring, making it a highly promising career option. So, what exactly does a drone engineer do? Well, their work involves designing, developing, and testing drones. This includes everything from creating the mechanical structure and electrical systems to writing the software that controls the drone. They also work on improving drone performance, integrating new technologies, and ensuring safety and regulatory compliance. Now, a typical day for a drone engineer may differ depending on the type and stage of the project they are working on. For instance, they could be researching and developing new concepts and technologies for drones, such as improved propulsion systems, sensors, or algorithms. Furthermore, they may be designing and modeling drone components and systems using CAD software and simulations, or building and assembling drone prototypes with 3D printers, soldering irons and wires. Additionally, a drone engineer may test and debug drone performance and functionality with software tools, wind tunnels, and flight tests. Moreover, they may need to document and report the results of tests and experiments, as well as collaborate and communicate with other engineers, clients, and stakeholders to ensure the quality and feasibility of the drone solutions. Now, to become a drone engineer, you'll need a solid educational foundation and a specific set of skills. Now, here's what you need to know. Now, to become, you need a strong background in maths, physics, and engineering. You also need to master the software and hardware that are used to create and operate drones such as CAD, MATLAB, Python, Arduino, and Raspberry Pi. Additionally, you need to have a good understanding of the regulations and safety standards that apply to drones, as well as the ethical and social implications of their use. And finally, you need to have creativity, problem solving, and teamwork skills, as you'll often work on projects with other engineers and clients. As far as the educational background is concerned, a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics, or a related field is typically required. Specialized courses in UAV technology can be a significant advantage. Some universities offer dedicated programs in drone technology. Proficiency in CAD software for design, programming languages like Python or C++, and understanding of aerodynamics and control systems are crucial. Knowledge of robotics, AI, and machine learning can also be beneficial. And then talking about the soft skills, attention to detail, problem solving ability, creativity, and teamwork are essential. As the field is constantly evolving, a willingness to continually learn and adapt is also important. And in many countries, drone engineers may need certifications to operate drones legally. In India, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, popularly known as DGCA, offers such certifications. Now, talking about a very, very important concept, yes, salaries. So, let's talk about the earning potential. In India, the starting salary of a drone engineer can range from INR 4 to 6 lakhs per annum, and with experience, it can go up to 15 lakhs per annum or more. In countries like United States, drone engineers can earn up to $70,000 to $120,000 annually, depending on their expertise and the industry they are working in. The field offers not only good pay, but also exciting opportunities to work on cutting edge technologies. And to conclude, being a drone engineer can be both challenging and rewarding. Challenges may include dealing with complex and dynamic problems, working under tight deadlines and budgets, and following legal and ethical guidelines. Additionally, drone engineers must ensure the safety and reliability of the drones, their operators, as well as the people and environment around them. On the other hand, rewards include having the opportunity to work on cutting edge projects with a positive impact on various industries, being part of a growing and exciting field with many career opportunities, and experiencing the thrill of seeing your creations fly. Becoming a drone engineer means being at the forefront of a technological revolution. It's a career that offers the perfect blend of innovation, challenge, and opportunity. With the right education, skills, and passion, you can soar high in this field, contributing to advancements that can change the world. So, if you're fascinated by drones and eager to build a dynamic career, now is the perfect time to dive into drone engineering. Remember, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. So, if you have questions, suggestions, or just want to say hello, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and engage in meaningful conversations with you. There's a link in the description of the podcast that can help you connect with me. I would like to welcome all my dear listeners to connect with me on Instagram every Sunday at 10 a.m. in my program Open House with Kapil Gupta. So join me on Instagram to have a heart to heart talk. And if you found value in the podcast, help us reach more listeners by sharing it with your friends, family, colleagues who might benefit from our discussions. So thank you for tuning in to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Fly high, everyone. Thank you.